Hi, I'm Beth Hobson, and I will be bringing you a series on dementia. We'll go through different scenarios. We'll discuss dementia, things that might mimic dementia, and also looking into how to support somebody who might be going through the brain change that takes place, whether it's post-surgery or a dementia or an Alzheimer's. My father does have Alzheimer's, and for the past 10 years we've been going through changes and really finding out positive ways to support people as they go through this, allowing them to be able to age at home and allowing them to be able to age with dignity. This topic is, while it's near and dear to my heart, it's also very important around our community. Many people are noticing changes within their neighbor. Sometimes people just say, oh, it's a memory problem. Oh, he's got the dementia. Dementia is more than Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's is more than memory problems. They're similar, but they're different. And so it's nice to be able to notice some of the differences between them. And I want to give you some tools so that you can figure out the best way to work with people and to talk with people and to maybe even recognize some things in yourself and how you can, reach out for help.